Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Back with another one. Alright, this video right here just gonna be a quick proof video. Alright, gonna be a quick proof video. Like I said, tune into my channel, watch these different videos. Alright, I'm really trying to help you, teach you guys, and show you the ways that you could put some free money in your pocket. Have over 15 to 30 different type of money makers. If you go through my channels, if you go through my 400 videos, you will see them. Shout out to my online team. I have 6,580. I appreciate all the love. Like I said, watch these videos. You know which videos to watch. Watch the popular uploads. Watch the videos that you see that basically has the most views in the tutorials, so you could start making money every single day. You ready? You ready to go sleep? All right, good boy. All right, so like I said, every single day I'm trying to help my online team out. This is gonna be a proof video, all right, of why my system will always, like, you always need to have something coming in, some type of side income coming in. All right. Like I told you on my other video, I don't know if y'all watched my other video, but I told you in that video, like, I've been at my job 14 years. They just came to me, told me he's going to lay me off. Didn't even let me finish the day at work. So you have to understand, this is why I created what I created. Like, I did this because nothing is promised. Do not rely on anything. I always have some type of stream of income coming in every single day, every single week, every single month. Have something. If you can't figure it out, just keep learning, keep trying different things until you figure it out. That's why I use my system, because I teach you guys how to make the free money. You can take that free money and invest in different ways to make more money, either your side business or something that you're going to invest in. All right. So either way, there's no excuse. Use my system for a long amount of time. You're really going to be able to have enough money to do whatever you got to do. All right. So like I said, prize rubber right here. But I'll just do a quick cash out, $20 cash out. Let me go right here real quick, go to my rewards. And like I said, I show you guys everything. You see that? A couple of days in a row, no referrals. Two referrals yesterday, 3 today, off of only 9 clicks. All right, so you can see how I'm not even running traffic to none of my sites. All right, so like, you have to understand. Once you understand what you're doing, you're gonna be able to really make it happen. Only reason I'm not running no sites, cause I got a lot invested in my new job right now. I sell cars. Go to my channel, Autoland Jesse, watch a couple videos, subscribe, show me some love. Alright, let me just go to rewards here and cash this out real quick. So, yeah, like I was saying, so you always have to have some type of stream of income coming in every single day. Alright, I show you guys the backstage, I show you guys everything. I'm super transparent. That's why I say follow me on Instagram at Free Online Money Maker. Ask me anything and I will get back to you the same day and I will answer you. Alright, like, I'm super transparent. You don't have to worry about none of that. I know everybody wants to make $200, $300, $400, $500, $600 a day, but like, you're gonna have to put money into those type of opportunities. All right, you're gonna have to put big time money in those opportunities. So until then, where are you gonna get this money to buy the course? Where are you gonna get your startup money? Where are you gonna get your first investment money? All right, I'm teaching you how to make money free. So use that money to invest. Use that money to try different courses out. Whether it works or not, you still, at least you use like free money that you've been saving up. Alright, so it's up to you on how you're going to really get things done. I'm going to go to PayPal right here, left-hand corner. Scroll down here, $20 cash out. Like, I got to run to Walmart real quick, so I'm just going to use this to go to Walmart. So, like, you have to understand, however you want to use your money. Alright, like, soon as I get good at the job I'm doing, selling cars, so when I get good, I'm starting making some money. I'm never gonna cash this out. I'm just gonna keep letting it build year after year, and this is gonna make me a couple $1,000s every single year. Only reason I can't let it build right now is because sometimes I need it, so I gotta do what I gotta do. All right, I'm gonna claim this item right here. $20 cash out right there, nice and easy, smooth. 1, 2, 3. All right, so my account should drop to $28.48. All right, I'm gonna go to Offer Nation here. Offer Nation, like I said, look at my numbers. It's only $3 and some change, but if you keep adding them up, all I'm doing is cashing out 4 sites. I got a couple of other update videos that's coming up next to show you guys where I'm at with those different money makers that I use. But this one right here, like I said, it's only $3. So add $3 to $20 cash out, it's $23, 100% free in your pocket. Just gonna use that, go to Walmart to get what I gotta get in and out. Alright, so let me cash this out right here, convert these points. Why do I show these videos? Proof videos, people. Proof videos that this does work. Proof videos that you can see that is very trustworthy. Alright, anything that I show you on my channel is very trustworthy. We're gonna hit withdraw here. Like I said, you have to ask yourself, what are you gonna do with the money? If you make $20 every single day for the next 5-10 years, like what are you gonna do with all that money? Now a lot of people are like, oh, it's not enough money. Of course it's not enough money. You gotta make more than that, but that's a stream of income. Understand? It's all about getting streams of income. Once you keep adding different streams of income up every single day, you're gonna be able to make some big time major moves. It's just up to you. You gotta block out all the negativity. You gotta stop spending money every chance you get. You gotta really like save this money up, and you can really do something big. What you gonna do with $1,000? What you gonna do with $10,000? Like, what are you gonna do with that money? That's gonna create you more money. You have to figure that out. If you don't got that figured out, keep saving money. Keep saving money until you have it figured out. Once you have it figured out, that's when you invest. That's when you buy courses. That's when you buy books to read and learn different ways you can do different things. All right. Convert this. So that's already what, $23.50 cash out right there, $23.50. Convert points to cash right here. 427. Still got 32 cents here. Let me convert that. 32.50. 485. Go to withdraw here. So that's about $28 cash out right there. Always use instant PayPal. Always use instant PayPal. My phone just died. Let me see if I can just charge it real quick. Excuse me real quick. Definitely use my phone now, like, so setting up appointments, doing different things here. So definitely trying to upgrade my life and do things differently, alright? And I encourage you guys to do the same, alright? That's why I give you this channel you could learn from my channel. Watch a couple videos, take notes. You never have to watch a video again. Start making some money. I'm trying to change people's lives out here. I know we're not making hundreds of dollars every single day, but $20, $30, $40 every single day, you could definitely make something happen with that. Alright, my system is not here to use forever. It's here to just use so you always have some free investment money every single day. Alright, so it's a $28 cash out so far. When Prize Rebel clears, I'll go back there and cash out another $5. Super pay, I'm gonna wait till this gets ready to load up here. Refresh this. It's about $1. What? It's about $1.50 in here too. So like I said, I just add these up, people. It's not astronomical numbers. Just remember, I have about 20 sites doing the same thing. So now you can see how it really adds up. Even if you use 10 different sites and you're making $4 a day on 10 sites, you have $40 a day every single day. That's $1,000. That's $1,200 at the end of the month. So it's really up to you. $1.53. I'm going to cash this out. I'm going to go to withdrawals right here. Go to rewards. Go down. Go to withdraw cash. Excuse the volume for this video. Just keeping it down. My son's sleeping right here, right next to me. My lady just put him down, so he's about to go to sleep. A little late, right? 11 o'clock. He's living the life. Let me just double click. Put this in here. Instant PayPal. Always do that. So what's that? $28 cash out plus what? That's $1.50, $29.50, and I'm gonna cash out this $5. Let me go. Let me just go to my Prize Rebel account real quick. Close this. Let me go to refresh right here. See if I'm just going to refresh to see if this pending PayPal processing right here, see if that's cleared. And you see from this year I made $1,200 off this account. So like I said, it's not going to make you rich or anything like that, but This plus this, that's close to $5,000. So you gotta understand what, like, you could do big things right here. You could do really big things if you just continue focusing on getting things done. I don't know what's wrong with the computer right now. I'm gonna refresh this again. I don't know why it's not refreshing. Like I said, I'm here to help you guys. Hit me up on Instagram at Free Online Moneymaker. Ask me anything. Look at that. This is why I love my system. See that payment completed already? I'm gonna close this pop-up. Look at that. Payment complete already. Payment completed, which means it's already in my PayPal. And I'm gonna see if I can dive into my PayPal real quick just to show you that the funds are there. $20 here. Let me cash out another $5. Then I'm gonna go to my PayPal. Rewards. I've got a couple of update videos on different sites that I use. A couple of new videos on new sites and money makers that I got coming out soon. Go to PayPal here. Go to my $5. Claim this item real quick. Put OK. And like I said, people, I'm really trying to help you guys. So ask me anything. I do one-on-one training on Instagram. You hit me up. One-on-one training. You can ask me anything. I help you guys out. Like, it's up to you. What are you gonna do with this money? If I know I can make you $5,000 a year every year. So what are you gonna do with that money? I know it's not astronomical numbers, but it's free money, literally. $5,000 free dollars. What are you gonna do with it? What are you gonna invest in? What are you gonna use it for? Most people usually just go buy shoes, sneakers, clothes, go out to eat, go party. You know what I'm saying? Buy liquor. You have to use this money for something that's gonna matter. Try to use this money and spend it on something else that's gonna make you more money. If you continue doing that, you will go a long way. Alright, I catch this $5 out here. It's about $34 cash out 50 cents. So $34 cash out 50 cents, 100% free. Let me dive into my $29.44. I just cashed that other $5 that's gonna come in. So it's gonna be $34.44. $34.44 cash out. Alright, let me scroll up here. You see the payments right there, the $1.50 I cashed out, the $20, the $4.75, the $3.19, all August 26th. Alright. That's the money that I took out right here. Right here. Alright, and all I do is take that and I send it to my, do I have my debit card? I show you guys this all the time. This is why I do these type of videos, because I'm super transparent. I can do this with you guys. Alright, if you can see that right there, my PayPal card. Alright, my PayPal card. My bad. Alright, PayPal debit card here. Okay, so like I do this. So I'm gonna transfer that, and when you transfer for PayPal debit, it's gonna transfer within 10 seconds. It's gonna transfer to your card. You can go outside and use it. So I'm gonna transfer this $29.44 in about 2 to 3 minutes. That Prize Rebel $5 should go through. So it will be $34.44. 100% free. I don't have to use any cash that I have on me. I could just use that. Or you can save this and use the cash on. It doesn't matter how you do it. Just make sure that you're getting something on an every single day basis. It's really up to you. Grind out. Figure out what you're going to do. Watch my tutorials. Watch my in-depth videos. Have over 400 videos. It's not for no reason. Over 6,000 subscribers. They don't subscribe for no reason. I have people across the world making money online 100% free. Like I said, it's not hundreds and millions of dollars, but 10, 20, 30, $40 every day, it will help. It will help you, and you will be able to make some things happen. All right. So make sure you invest. Make sure you gotta keep studying, keep reading these books, keep learning. Never stop learning. No matter how much money you make, continue to learn, continue to grind, continue to invest, continue to grow. All right. It's all about you and what you're trying to do. You see why I made my system. My system just basically saves my financial life, guy. Because my job just came to me and just straight told me, all right, we're gonna lay you off because you know what I'm saying. You're making money out here. We're not trying to pay people anymore. So we're gonna have to lay you off. You gotta pack up your stuff and leave now. Don't even let me finish my Friday. Told me 5 minutes after I punched in. All right. So like I said, this is real life. Things like this happen. But you know, I can't replace it with this. But at least I have a couple $100, $500, $600, $700, $800 coming in monthly, so I can have something to look back on. All right. So keep grinding. Keep doing your thing. Shout out to my online team. Keep grinding out there. Yeesh.